Students, today we are proceeding question number 61. The general equation of second degree ax square plus by square plus g of x plus f of y plus c is equal to 0. If any type of second degree parabola equation is given, so what is if the condition is given if a and b are not equal, if a and b are not equal, if a and b are not equal and both are of the same sign. So A and B both are the same sign, positive or negative. So that and A and B are also not equal. So that type of equation belongs to LS. And here we know that the equation of f x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, or x square divided by s b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. So these two types of LS we get if any, if a and b the coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square both are unequal and they have the same sign. So we will get here in this equation is LS. And question number 62, the general equation of the second degree where equation second degree hyperbola equation is given if a and b are not equal, so both are in opposite signs. Means that if both are opposite signs, if a is positive, so b will be negative, or if a is negative, so b will be positive. They are in opposite direction, in opposite sign. So this type of equation belongs to hyperbola. So you will know that the hyperbola equation is x square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square is equal to 1, or we can write x square divided by b square minus y square divided by a square is equal to 1. So this type of equation is hyperbola. We get if a and b are not equal to 0 and the coefficient of x square and coefficient of b square both are in opposite sign. So this type of equation is hyperbola. 63. The same general second degree parabola, second degree equation a square plus by square plus g of x plus f of y plus c is equal to 0. If a and b are equal but both are not equal to 0, means that a is not is equal to 0, a is not is equal to 0, or b not is equal to 0. So that type of if a is not is equal to 0 and b is not is equal to 0, but they are not of the same sign, or they are in opposite sign, but they are also not equal. Here is also equal, but they are not equal to 0. So this type of equation is called circle. We get here circle. The general equation of the second degree equation a square plus by square plus g of x plus f of y plus c is equal to 0. If either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0, that means that in this equation if we put a is equal to 0, so we will get by square plus g of x plus fy plus c. So this type of equation is parabola because we get here y square. If we put here b is equal to 0, so we get here x square plus g of x plus f of y plus c is equal to 0. So if a or b any terms we put 0, so both are not at a time we will put 0, but one of them if we put 0, so we will get here parabola. So this type of equation is parabola. Option B is the correct and here option A is the correct option. Thanks once again for watching. Now, the general equation of the second degree ax square plus by square plus 2hx y plus 2g of x and gx and plus 3 of y plus c is equal to 0. So as we know that this condition we are generally here using, you must be keep in mind. First of all, f of fh square minus ab is equal to 0, that we will get here that will be parabola square minus AB is not equal to 0, we get here circle. If h square minus AB is greater than 0, that will be hyperbola. If h square minus AB is less than 0, that will be ellipse. Just like we have discussed, and the eccentricity if E is equal to 1, that will be parabola. If E is equal to 0, circle. If E is greater than 1 and E is greater than less than 1, that will be ellipse. E is greater than, that will be hyperbola. According to this condition, we are applying here the same. So the general equation is, it is a circle. If it is a circle, it means that according to this formula, so option D is here the correct option. If h square minus AB is equal to not is equal to 0, so here h we get from here and AB both are multiplied, so the results are not equal to 0. So this result will be equal to that is called circle. And the second equation, the general equation of the second degree is square plus by square plus 2xy plus 2gx plus 3y plus c is equal to 0 and is hyperbola. So hyperbola must be greater than 0. So option C is here the correct option. Similarly, and it is in ls, and ls must be less than 0, and here option D is the correct option. According to these conditions, you must be remember. So we will get the any type of equation is given, you must be put this formula, we will get parabola, circle, hyperbola and ellipse. Thanks once again for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Dear students, we have already discussed before. Question number 68 is given. The second degree equation is a parabola. It is a parabola. In a parabola, we are using the condition x square minus AB is equal to 0. So, if we are calculate x square minus AB, so the result becomes is equal to 0. So that will be called parabola. Now the 69 number question MCQ. The general equation of second degree equation of already x square plus by square plus 2hxy plus 2g of x plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represent a pair of straight line. If condition we are using in the case of determinant, so and here a, b and c must be in the main diagonal we are using. That is the point. If look at a, G and C, here B is absent, it means that result is not equal, and here A, B and C. So here A and B and C are using, so the results are correct, but here the other terms are not in the order, so if we calculate, so we cannot get this result. So this result is not correct because here H is used and H is used in all the order of the H, but here G is used and this term is absent, so that is also incorrect. But here main principal diagonal is correct. Here the rule is applied, but in the last here H is must be used here, and here but here G is used, that is not suitable. Similarly, if we check the option C here, main diagonal ABC are used and HG. So both are in the same series we are using here HG, and this G will be transferred to here in the column HG. So this order is correct, and here F also same. So option C is the correct option. Look here, and also in the order is also not same, so that is also not correct. Option C is the correct option. You must see the main principal diagonal and has the other remaining terms H and G. If they are using on the same process, and the same series, and this will be changed and also into product into the first column. So you must be follow this rule. In number 70, center of the ellipse. Sorry, center of the circle x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 3 is what? So according to the, if we compare the general form of the circle x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to a square r square, you can write here radius. A is here used or the radius. So h and k are the center is h over k. If we are compared here, h is equal to is 1 and k is equal to minus, here is k is equal to 3. Here k is equal to 3. K is equal to 3. So the center will be here option A is here the correct option. xy is equal to 0. So from the general equation ax square plus by square plus 2hxy plus 2g of x plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. If we are compared, is a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0. That means here hxy is other from gx is equal to 0 and g is equal to 0 and f and c all from are 0. A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0 and here H is equal to XY is equal to 1. It is equal to 1. So I becomes a B except this also they will get here 2HXY is equal to 0. So dividing both sides by and here 2H. So 2H if you divide this will be cancelled. XY is equal to 0. XY represent here the pair of straight lines. The another question, the points A and B are the end points of the diameter of the circle. So there is the circle and diameter always passes through the center. Here is A and B, and the center will be what? Center is that one. So center is the midpoint of center is the midpoint of endpoints, or we can say that diameter. So it means that here this point, if we are finding center, so center means here minus 5 plus 5 divided by 2 and minus 2 plus minus 4 divided by 2. So we get here 0 and minus 6 minus 3. 0 minus 3 will be the correct answer, and here option 0 and minus 3. Option B is here the correct option. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends, relatives. Thanks again.
Hello, assalamu alaikum. Hello, assalamu alaikum, all viewers and dear students. Today we are discuss about the MCQs on the topic of circle. Let's come. We start question number 73. The equation x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y is equal to 10 represents what? So if we know that if we first of all we change this equation in the form of general equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y, if we change this result here, so we get here minus 10 is equal to 0. So the coefficient of x square and the coefficient of y square both are equal, that is represented by a is equal to b. So this type of, and both are not equal to 0, that will be circle. So we have already discussed in the previous MCQs. If you check my previous audio, so that will be called circle. F, the coefficient of x square and coefficient of b square both are equal. Here 1 and 1 both are equal. So the result is called, the above equation is called circle. Now question number 74, the set of all points in a plane which are equidistant. Set of all the points in a plane which are equidistant from some fixed point in the plane is called what? So look here, this is the plane and we are making one of the circle. So all the set of all points means that, so for example P1 and P2, P3 and P4 and P5 and P6, P7 up to so on, and continue this process P7 and P8. So all of these points in the place are equal distance. They are equal distance from the some fixed point is called circle. So answer B is here the correct option. Now question number 75, x square plus y square is equal to r square is the equation of the circle with center is required. Center here, center, look here, if we are generally compare with this form, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So here if we substitute h is equal to 0, x square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to r square. So we get h and k, that is the center. So c is equal to 0 was 0, and option C is here the correct option. 26, fixed point from which all points of a circle are equidistant. So look here, if we draw the circle, so that one be, these are the points which are equidistant, so P1, P2 and P3 and P4, P5 and P6, P7, P8. All of these are the points, fixed points from which all points of a circle are equidistant from their center, from their centers. So the that is called the center of the circle. Option C is here the correct option. Standard equation of the circle with center h over k and radius r is. So we are know that the this one is the center of the circle, and here we draw any line that is p, x and y, and center h over k, and this one is radius. So a standard equation of the circle, we denote x minus h whole square plus y minus k, so option here B is the correct option, because here is plus, here is minus, here is also plus, here is both are x minus h, y minus k, that is the correct answer. But this option A and option C and option D are the incorrect answer. So question number 78, equation of the circle is required. Equation with center at the origin. Origin means 0, 0. So and radius r is given. It means that in this formula, if we put here x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to r square. So we get the result x square plus y square is equal to r square. We get the general equation here. This is also incorrect. Option B is the correct option. Here is minus x square, this is incorrect, and this is also because here is negative minus r square. Option B is here the. And the fixed distance of all points of the circle. So look here, this is the circle. So this is one of the point P1 and P2 and P3 and P4 and P5 are all the points of the circle. All the points P1, P2, P3 and P4, P5, all the points on the circle, the fixed distance from the center, so that is called radius R. So all these are is called the radius of the circle. Option C is here the correct option. Journal equation, one is the standard form of the equation, one is the just standard form of the equation. X square plus y square is equal to r square. So here center is 0, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So both are same, but here center is 0, 0, and it is called origin is 0, 0. Now the general equation of the circle is required. So we know that x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation of the circles. Now we check the option. Option D is here the correct option. The other terms are, this is here 2, so this is wrong. This is also wrong. 2 here is minus is used, so this is wrong. And option D is the correct option. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friend. Thanks again for watching.